have been looking for ways to start working from home. In this video, I'll be showing you a platform where you can get a work from home job, be it part-time job or full-time job without any major requirements. Now this works for anyone anywhere in Africa. So I'll take you to my screen. I'm going to be sharing everything with you in this very short video. But before we jump right into my video, if you see me for the first time, I would want to introduce myself. My name is Norma Evans, and in this community, I basically share easiest and simplest ways you can make money online. I also share related tech videos. If you find this relevant, I would love you to subscribe to this channel right now. Go down there, subscribe, and make sure you like this video. Thanks in advance, right? So if you have done this, I will take you to my screen and I'm going to be sharing everything with you and how you can get started with this platform. So let's dive into my screen right now. So this happens to be the largest remote community in Africa. Now, if you are looking for a part-time job or a full-time job, this is the perfect place to look for a job you can start doing right now. Even if you're a 9 to 5 worker, you can see work remotely or relocate. Are you seeing this right now? Say find a job that fits your lifestyle, find talent, remote workers across Africa. So if you have anything you are good at, this is the perfect place you can start hunting for jobs and you can find jobs that suit whatever you are doing. As you can see, they have over 4,000 plus talents profile created. Elevate your job search with Remote Africa Hunter. So you can see explore jobs by category. Now these are kind of jobs you will find on this very platform. As you can see, this is a senior independent UI UX design, and now this is a contract work. As you can see, is 100% remote. That means you can do it anywhere in the world. Now if you come to marketing right now, you are going to see that this is going to change from design to marketing. And these are marketing jobs: e-commerce influencer marketing, software development manager, growth hacker, and something like that. If you come to copywriting right now, you are going to scroll down, you're going to see these are copywriting jobs, right? As you can see, creative copywriting, this is the company looking for the job, and this is the category, sales and marketing, and it's a full-time job and it's 100% remote. That means you can do it anywhere in the world. So guys, these are like ways you can find jobs on this platform. What you have to do first is to click on register and register a free account with them. Now to register an account with them is very simple. You put in your profile, you put in your name, your number, your email address. Make sure the name is corresponding to your real name, and you create your account. Put in your profile picture. Simple as that. So you can see your email address, your 6 character, and you sign up. So once you sign up, you are going to put your profile picture and optimize your profile. All right, optimizing it in the way that putting your credentials, your date of birth, and everything that concerns you, you just update it there, right? One of the best things you can do on this platform is that if you are a company, you are a brand, you are a business, you can also look for talents. You can post a job here, as you can see, looking for an expert for your company, get applications from Africa Best Talent, right? And these are the countries which are available on this very platform. Now this covers all countries in Africa. As you can see, remote by location: Nigeria, Angola, Benin, Botswana, Burkina Faso, Gabon, Cameroon, just name it. These are countries from Africa. All countries provided in Africa support this very platform. Now it's very important to subscribe to their newsletter in a way that they are going to be posting you from time to time jobs opportunity on this very platform. What you have to do is to come to subscribe to the latest job opening, join our newsletter, receive jobs opening of the week right on your boss. You put your email address, you put in the category of jobs you are good at, right? You can put in marketing, design, engineering. You click on subscribe. They are going to be sending you email on any latest job opening or any company that's come here to post jobs, right? So you'll be receiving latest job opening and latest job opportunity right in your email box. Now if you want to apply for jobs, it's very simple. You click on the job you want to apply for. So once you click on it, it's going to take you to the page of this very job. Now if you look up here right now, 145 persons have seen this application and 28 persons has applied, right? As you can see, this is the name of the company and it's 100% remote and it's a full-time job. We are looking for a creative copywriter to tell us our stories and help with support documentation, right? Now this is the job description, and this is the skill, right? The benefit, these are what's the benefit that comes with this very job, right? It's just like applying for normal jobs. And this is the position about this company. As you can see, you can come here to click on apply for position. They are going to assess you and assess your documentation, and they are going to get back to you. So guys, it's just simple as that, right? It's very simple as that. Now the name of the platform is called Remote Africa, right? Remote Africa, all right? Remote Africa happens to be the largest remote work community in Africa. So I'll leave the link in the description of this video. It will be the first link you're going to be seeing in the description of this video to access this very platform. You are going to land your first job in the next couple of hours, right? If you're able to apply for 5 or 10 jobs on this very platform, you are going to land your first jobs in the next couple of hours. Guys, this is the platform and this is how you can go about it. I'll be sharing more details about this platform and more other platform where you can get remote jobs and other related videos on how you can make money online. So make sure you stay subscribed to this very channel not to miss out from my valuable videos on ways you can make money online. So go ahead and check the link in the description of this video to access this very platform. You can drop your questions in the comment section below. I'll be there to attend to them. Right? With that said, I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now. So guys, with this platform, you can get any work from home job from any experience you have. So if you have any skills at all, you can come to this platform and apply for jobs and you get your skills monetized, right? If you are a teacher, you know how to teach, you can explore this platform and start working from home. Even if you have a job before, you are doing something before, you can put this together with your job and you can also make money on the side. This will not affect your job or it will not delay your job, right? If you are a student, stay at home mom, this is a perfect side also you can start doing right now and start making money through the internet. I believe you find this content valuable. If you do, please like this video, right? And you can share this content to someone you know out there, you know it will be valuable to them, right? If you have not subscribed, go down there right now, subscribe and turn on bell notification so you will not miss any updates from this community. So with that said, if you want to learn more ways you can make money online, I have a playlist on that. Click here right now to access the video I've put together showing you more amazing ways you can start making money through the internet. So with that said, I'll see you in these videos. Bye for now. Take care, guys.